I think I know what this row represents. It represents a side view of a bird that is facing this way. And so this floss stick represents the eye that is on the bird's head, and it also represents a beak. So the beak is this floss stick and this floss stick. And the eye is right here. The eye is here. And then this is the side view of the bird's body. This floss stick represents the wing that is on the bird. And of course, the bird has a tail. And so the wing joins the tail that is down here. This is the abdomen part of the bird. The abdomen is here. And then, as I mentioned, the tail sort of like meets the wing. Okay, this right here is the bird's leg, and then the bird's claw is here. And so, yeah.